Well, this product is, I'd say, one of my top, top three, top four favorite products from Metagenics. This is called Estrovera. Now, it's really what it is, and before this product, I haven't even heard of it, to be honest with you. I should say the ingredients, and that being Siberian rhubarb, really. So what it is it blocks one of the receptors that causes hot flashes. So this is my all-time favorite product for people suffering with hot flashes. I have seen women suffering with hot flashes for 30 years, and this product was like their best friend. So it blocks one of the receptors when the estrogen starts surging. Because estrogen, during menopause, estrogen doesn't just stop like we're told, and low estrogen is the result of the temperature dysregulation with hot flashes. It slowly comes down, but then there's spikes. It comes down and then there's spikes. When there's a spike in estrogen, while it's slowly declining, that change from low estrogen levels to high, that is what changes the temperature. So then you end up with sweating and perforation, or I should say perfusion, perspirating. So that's really what causes the temperature change, and Estrovera blocks some of that. It doesn't cause problems. I see like a 99% success rate with this product in hot flashes. Hot flashes can be caused by other things, I should say, or there's other lifestyle effects that aggravate a hot flash, but a standalone product for a hot flash, Estrovera, is remarkable. How do I dose it? This is a very potent product, so don't go too high with it because it can cause problems and other symptoms, just like a medication. So I recommend starting 1 capsule per day for maybe 3 days till your body gets used to it, and then maybe after that, after the first 3 days, 4 days, go up to 1 capsule 2 times a day. If you're getting symptom relief within a week at a low dose like that, great. But I have dosed as high as 1 capsule 3 times a day. But that should be the very highest dose you should go. Slowly go up with it. I never see any side effects. Well, I shouldn't say that. There can be side effects from it. But like any product, take it slowly. And again, if there's any concern, talk to your healthcare provider about it. But it can be great to actually completely reduce or eliminate hot flashes in a safe way.